Hello, today I want to show you how you're able to make a numeric field mandatory. For this example, I've added two fields in order to create a new account. I have a text field and a numeric field to know how many employees this account has. Let's save and preview. I will give it an account name. And let's see what happens if I don't specify how many employees my account has. I see that I was able to create my account without any problems. But let's make the employees field mandatory. Click on your field and select settings, then interactivity, and check off mandatory. Right away, we see an asterisk right before the label. Let's save and preview. Now let's see what happens when we try to create the account without entering the number of employees. Now we get a message reminding our user that the employees field is mandatory and we cannot create the account unless it's filled out. Now let's give it a number. And now we see that we're able to create the account. We see the number right here. So again, this is how you're able to make your numeric field mandatory.